Next, we have to run a channel search. Menu systems may vary on the model of TV that you have. Search your TV menus and find the correct option. And once you get to the menu, all you have to do is press Start. Depending on where you live, the quantity of over-the-air broadcasts may vary greatly. The closer you are to a city, the more channels you'll be able to get. Likewise, the farther out into a rural location you are, the lesser amount that you'll be able to pick up. Depending on what TV stations broadcast in your area, you may pick up different TV stations like ABC, NBC, or Fox. In the description below, we include a great reference tool to give you a rough estimate on how many and what channels are available in your area. Click the link, type your address or your zip code, and it will give you a list of the TV stations and channels available to you. Remember that what you see in the toolbox might not always be the case. For example, the toolbox says that you can receive 2 channels, but as you can tell, we have found 17 channels. Big difference.